Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make Nigerian meat pie. The British call it mixed pie, but today I'm going to be showing you how to make this one, and it's so yummy. So if you want to know more about it and how I did it, you definitely want to keep watching, and please do not forget to subscribe if you have not. So we are going to be adding the whole flour, and then I'm going to be adding 1 tablespoon of baking powder. After that, I'm going to be adding 4 tablespoons of sugar to the dry ingredients. And then I also like to add a pinch of salt as well. Then you want to ensure that you thoroughly mix all your dry ingredients together, just so that everything is well spread. So you have to mix very well. Then we are going to add 500 grams of butter, which is like a pack of butter. So you want to add all that. A quick disclaimer, it's going to get a bit messy, so you want to wash your hands definitely. By using clean hands, you want to mix everything together with all the ingredients inside. We are trying to achieve a breadcrumb consistency. Once that is done, you are going to break 3 or 4 eggs depending on your flour mixture, and then you want to create a hole at the middle of the flour, as you can see me doing. This just helps to be able to fold in your eggs easily. And again, a quick disclaimer, it's going to get messy again, and this time you are going to use your hands. Please make sure your hands are clean after folding. After folding them in, some people add water to their mixture, but I like to add milk instead. This helps my dough to be more tasty, sweet, and better texture, as you can see me doing. Then on a clean surface, you want to sprinkle some flowers. Please be careful. We don't want to overwork the butter. Remember that the butter is really cold. If you keep using your hands, all the butter is going to melt up. And then the dough would be as flaky as you want it to be. Obviously this video is speed up, but I'm actually doing it gently in real life. After that, you want to place it back into the bowl or pot that you use, and then cover it with a clean film. I usually place mine in the fridge for about 2 hours, but an hour is fine. To leave mine for about just 2 hours in the fridge. Guys, next thing we are going to do is prepare the filler. First of all, you want to chop up onions. I like using full onions because I like onions a lot, and then I put half scotch bonnet. Trust me, it's not going to be too spicy. Then we are also going to use carrot. For this, I'm just showing you the size of the carrot. We don't want it too big or small. Also the size with the potatoes. You notice I'm boiling my potatoes. I like to boil mine first because I put it in the fillers, after which I add vegetable oil to my fry pan, and then add my chopped onions and pepper and fry it for a little bit. Then you add your meat. I'm using 500 grams. This recipe makes 22 meat pies based on the measurement I used. After which you add up your cube maggi. I added star maggi, salt and curry to the mixture, and then ensure you mix them very well. And then you want to add your potatoes and carrots to the mixture, and then you make sure you mix very well. I'm also going to add 1.5 spoon of flour to it to thicken the sauce and stir, and then you want to stir it very well. Now guys, to the fun part, we are going to make the actual pie. You want to take out the dough from the fridge and, as usual, sprinkle flour on the surface. The reason why we are doing this is to ensure that the dough do not stick to the surface and it is easy to work with. Then I take a large knife and cut the dough. You can cut it into 12 or 10, whatever you are comfortable with. I think I did mine into 8 or 10, and you want to take one of those chalk when you are done, and that is the part we are going to roll out. And then you use your roller pin to roll it very well. Ensure it's flat. You roll it very flat. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I do 1, 2, and 3, and then like that. Then we are going to use a saucer, but it's not that round, but it worked out for me. Now you just want to pull in your filler. A tablespoon is enough. Put it at the center of your dough and then fold it over, and use your hands and take a fork and undate it on the edges as well. I'm going to repeat this 2 to 3 times so you can see what I mean. to do is to glaze them. We are going to use 1 egg. If you have a baking brush, it's fine. I do not have, so I'm going to be using my effect to apply it all over my pies, and I did about 2 train. We are going to be baking it in a medium heat and leave it to bake. While it's baking, you obviously want to check it time to time, and when it's baked, you are going to have slim golden brown meat pie, and so yummy. So you can see me breaking it into 2, and all my friends really enjoyed it, and I really enjoy making this video. So please make sure you like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much, and please leave a comment below if you would be trying this art. Thank you for watching. Bye.